Hello, it's Michael Watts here. It's been a little while since I last did this, but I thought I'd give you an update about my incoming instrument from CASIMI Guitars in South Africa. So in this picture you can see what we commonly refer to as the kit. So the back and sides, the soundboard and the neck. And as you can see, the neck still needs to be shaped and the soundboard obviously still needs to be braced. And it could also use one of those hole things as well. That's probably quite handy. Here's a close-up of some of the beautiful work on the inside. And here's the headstock, and as you can see, it's just received the CASIMI Guitars logo cast in bronze. Now, when I commission an instrument for myself, I like it to have several layers of aesthetic meaning. These are more than just guitars for me. These are sources of inspiration. They're works of art. They are a way to commemorate and celebrate events and places and people, and I find that side of the process very inspiring. The use of bronze for the headstock logo is entirely deliberate. One of the themes that we're exploring with this guitar is humanity together with nature, which, let's face it, is the central theme of instrument making. Bronze is a prime example of this theme because it was the first alloy, and examples of bronze work go back to 3500 BC. In addition to which, and this is not common knowledge, but I lived in Greece for 6 years, and bronze has a huge role to play in the epic poetry of Homer, the Iliad and the Odyssey. Another aesthetic theme that we are exploring with this instrument is one of repair, of healing. And an example of this that I find really inspiring and beautiful is the Japanese art of kintsugi. This involves repairing a damaged piece of ceramic work with gold. This has the effect of making the piece unique and even more beautiful for having suffered this damage. And I find that just gorgeous as a theme. Matthew Rice of CASIMI Guitars decided this was an idea he could really run with, and he started by filling in imperfections in pieces of African blackwood with the same gold paste that's used in the Japanese ceramic repairs. Now, I found the results really beautiful, but Matthew got really inspired and decided to take it one step further and create a custom inlay based on the things that he'd seen and experienced when researching this technique. And you can see the results here in the headstock where the bronze inlay has been applied. Here is the carved ebony rosette about to undergo the same process. And the last update I had from CASIMI Guitars was a message this morning with this video attached. You'll appreciate that none of this makes the waiting any easier, but we're still a few months out, and in the meantime I've got lots of cool things to film for you, so I'd better get on with it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay tuned.